Did you know Australia once declared war on emus? Yeah, big angry flightless birds, and the emus won. In 1932, thousands of emus were stampeding through farms, destroying crops. Farmers begged for help, so the government sent in the military with machine guns. They brought soldiers, trucks, and 10,000 rounds of ammo. But the emus were too fast, too smart. They dodged bullets, jammed the guns, and made the army look ridiculous. They even tried mounting the gun on a truck, but it bounced too much to aim. The emus just outran it. Final score, emus 1, Australia 0. Over 2,500 bullets used, only 200 birds hit, the rest dipped. Only war in history where humans got clapped by birds. The legendary Great Emu War.